Hi everyone, welcome back to Signature's Life. Those who are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.
Our Sun and all the planets around it are a part of a galaxy known as the Milky Way Galaxy. A galaxy is a large group of stars, gas and dust bound together by gravity. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The Milky Way is a large barred spiral galaxy. All the stars we see in the night sky are in our own Milky Way Galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky when you see it in a really dark area. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with a visible diameter between 150,000 and 200,000 light years. It is estimated to contain 100 to 400 billion stars and at least that number of planets. Dark matter halo around the Milky Way may span as much as 2 million light years. The solar system is located at a radius of about 27,000 light years from the galactic center on the inner edge of the Orion Arm, one of the spiral-shaped concentrations of gas and dust. The stars in the innermost 10,000 light years from a bulge and one or more bars that radiate from the bulge. Galactic center is an intense radio source known as Sagittarius A. It is very difficult to count the number of stars in the Milky Way from our position inside the galaxy. Our best estimates tell us that the Milky Way is made up of approximately 100 billion stars. These stars form a large disk whose diameter is about 100,000 light years. Our solar system is about 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. We live in the suburbs of our galaxy. Just as the Earth goes around the Sun goes around the center of the Milky Way. It takes 250 million years for our Sun and the solar system to go all the way around the center of the Milky Way. The first clue to the shape of the Milky Way comes from the bright band of stars that stretches across the sky. The first clue to the shape of the Milky Way comes from the bright band of stars that stretches across the sky. This band of stars can be seen with the naked eye in places with dark night skies. That band comes from seeing the disk of stars that forms the Milky Way from inside the disk and tells us that our galaxy is basically flat. Several different telescopes, both on the ground and in space, have taken images of the disk of the Milky Way by taking a series of pictures in different directions. A bit like taking a panoramic picture with a camera or phone. The concentration of stars in a band adds to the evidence that the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. If we lived in an elliptical galaxy, we would see the stars of our galaxy spread out all around the sky, not in a single band. There are billions of other galaxies in the universe. Only 3 galaxies outside our own Milky Way galaxy can be seen without a telescope. It appears as fuzzy patches in the sky with the naked eye. The closest galaxies that we can see without a telescope are the large and small Magellanic Clouds. These satellite galaxies of the Milky Way can be seen from the southern hemisphere. Even they are about 160,000 light years from us. The Andromeda Galaxy is a larger galaxy that can be seen from the northern hemisphere. It is about 2.5 million light years away from us, but it's getting closer. Researchers predict that in about 4 billion years it will collide with the Milky Way. That is, it takes light 2.5 million years to reach us from one of our nearby galaxies. The other galaxies are even further away from us and can only be seen through telescopes. The Milky Way has several satellite galaxies and is a part of the local group of galaxies, which form part of the Virgo supercluster, which is itself a component of the Laniakea supercluster. Stars and gases at a wide range of distances from the galactic center orbit at approximately 220 kilometers per second. The constant rotation speed contradicts the laws of Keplerian dynamics and suggests that much of the mass of the Milky Way is invisible to telescopes, neither emitting nor absorbing electromagnetic radiation. This conjectural mass has been termed dark matter. The rotational period is about 240 million years in the radius of the Sun. Milky Way as a whole is moving at a velocity of approximately 600 km per second with respect to extragalactic frames of reference. The oldest stars in the Milky Way are nearly as old as the universe itself, and thus probably formed shortly after the dark ages of the Big Bang.